Steps up. Fires it home. Confident penalty.
Up on yourself again. Massive respect. Alright. So, we'll discuss Richard King, yeah? Done your thing already. Goal on his home debut. Penalty, as you can see. At the first clip of the video. But we want to talk about the performance itself. And let me tell you, me never get to watch a full game. You have to watch it in out. If you want to see the game, I don't know if you can catch back the replay on VIP box, but I did watch it on. But I have to tell us the people, him not look out of place. Him look like a long time I play in the league. If you're a player where I first go play at this level, it look very comfortable. Most of the time in the middle of the back three, based off when I see the starting lineup, I see him on the left side, but most of the time, predominantly at the time, he's in the center of the back three. Which shows that there's a lot of trust in him. He have the responsibility to play the ball out as well, which we have seen. Would have seen him done it with the Reggae Boys team. And it's a good look. Now, he did play some good football. Still scored a penalty. But the quality of the opponent was not really high. It was a lower level opponent. And St. Mirren just basically boxed him aside very easily. But me have to give credit still for Richard King, how him look, his composure, how him find himself in a slot. When I go up on Twitter, kind of search for what the analysts, the supporters are saying. And based off what I'm seeing, it's a good look because they're loving him so far. Speaking about how technical he is, how composed he is. And it's a really good look to see another player stepping out of our local league on the big platform, stepping up, especially the fact him score penalty. And they said the last time a defender scored a penalty for St. Mirren in opening game, in the opening minutes, 90 minutes, was actually in 2018. I don't remember the name of the defender, what them said. Don't remember the name of the defender, but I've got to check that back. But it's a good look. It's a really good look, and make this performance be the base level, based off of what he want to continue. And so far, the supporters are loving him. Coach is speaking highly of him, so it's a good look. It's definitely a good look for Richard King, and may these performances continue throughout the rest of his St. Mirren career. Good luck as the season goes on. Give you more update on him and his performances. Give you more update on him as a player. But done anything already. Big up on yourself. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Massive respect, Richard King. Big up people. MJ Sports TV. Out. God bless. Boom. Outside.